Hi, welcome back to Musee LTD. So we are doing an update video on the Serapi that we are restoring right now. So this Serapi is very special. It is over 120 years old. It's a genuine Persian handmade Serapi. So it's a geometric design. It has this beautiful center medallion in the middle. And we are currently re-knotting a section of it. So these knots, they're hand knotted. So each individual knot is hand done, as you can see him doing right now. And it is a very long, tedious process. So restorations like this, they take a long time to do just because of how labor intensive they are. But the end product is amazing and beautiful. We color match everything, and we match the design as well so that it looks like nothing ever happened to your rug. So as you can see, he is progressed a lot since the last video, and it's just gonna keep getting better from there.